Hi, I'm Danny Upson from DL and welcome to the Prime Cuts 32. I have a fantastic new range launched from Lucas Ingredients, and this range is the Smokehouse range, 3 amazing new sausages, and also we have 2 amazing burgers. Smokehouse is basically focusing on smoked flavours, and we're all familiar with that American smoked sort of flavour. Got the smoked chipotle sausage mix, and this one we've got here, which is the smoked paprika sausages. Again, it's a nice sort of smoky flavour from paprika coming through. And this one here, it's one of my favourites, which is the smoked chilli and maple. And you've got the nice heat of the smoked chilli coming through, a nice smoky flavour, and then finishing off with a nice sweetness of the maple. Louisiana steak burgers, it's got, it's a nice sort of heat coming through there, and then the Tennessee got that heat and also finished with a nice sweetness. Within the prime cuts, we also have MRC, the red tub range, which is very, very popular. And this time, really done us proud. We've got a sriracha glaze, nice chili sauce with a bit of garlic, goes excellent on chicken kebabs, goes excellent on lamb, pork or beef, so it's quite versatile. But also MRC's introduced a soy and garlic and ginger glaze, which again, hitting that Asian sort of demand for flavours, and Asian food is very, very popular in our country. What I've done here, we've got some nice sort of belly swirls coated with the soy, garlic and ginger. 2 lovely new products there. Really recommend you should give them a go. Merchandising and display is such an important part of our business. And one thing Dalebrook has introduced is these new trays here, and also what you call the Kata range. The way I describe these trays is like a 3-in-1 tray. It's a tray, but also it's a bowl, but also it can also be a riser. That's the Prime Cuts 32. We have a fantastic range of Kata trays. We have amazing smokehouse flavours from Lucas. We've also got some good flavours coming from MRC. If you have any questions, you want to speak to anybody about it, please pick up the phone and speak to your retail account manager, or you just ring up the office at your nearest depot.